What food should you eat to improve your performance? The truth is that there isn't one specific food that I could tell you that would automatically add gains or add to your performance. You have to look at your diet as a whole. Are you eating enough calories to sustain the workouts that you're doing? Especially if you're doing 2 workouts a day, you want to make sure that you're getting enough energy and fuel to get the most out of your training. Another thing to consider is, are you eating around these workouts to ensure that you have that endurance and that you're recovering properly? If you're not eating something before or after your workouts, you might be missing out, and you might just be burning calories in the workouts and not actually recovering and building muscle. The things to consider for your performance are the following. Are you eating enough calories and proteins to sustain these workouts? Number 2 is, what are you eating around the workouts? Are you getting enough carbs and protein before and after? The third thing is hydration. Are you dehydrated? Are you getting enough fluids to make sure that you're replenishing for these workouts? And the third thing is recovery. So you want to make sure that you're recovering properly with your nutrition and your sleep. By having all of these things in place, I promise you that you will see a difference in your performance.